Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel Excel. Today, two ranking functions, small and large. Small returns the kth smallest value in a range. Large returns the kth largest. Perfect for finding extremes or grabbing the top three, bottom three, anything you can rank. Three real examples coming up. First up, large for the top value. We want the highest total stat across all our Pokémon. Type equals large, open paren, then we click the total column header to pull in the structured reference, data underscore small large, square bracket, total. Comma, 1 for the first rank, close paren, hit enter. Large returns 630, Blastoise's total. Pass 2 for the second largest, 3 for the third, and so on, all the way down. Now small, the mirror function. We want the lowest speed stat. Type equals small, open paren, data underscore small large, square bracket, speed for the array, comma, 1 for the smallest, close paren, hit enter. Result is 20, the lowest speed in our list, shared by Togepi and Camerupt. Note that small counts duplicates separately, so k equals 1 and k equals 2 both return 20 in this case. Small and large are perfect mirrors. Now the power combo, sum wrapping small or large with an array constant. We want the sum of the three lowest speeds. Type equals sum, open paren, small, open paren, data underscore small large, square bracket speed, comma, curly brace 1, comma 2, comma 3 curly brace, close paren, hit enter. The array constant tells small to return all three values at once, the first smallest, the second smallest, and the third smallest. Then sum adds them up. We get 80. That's 20 plus 20 plus 40. Togepi, Camerupt, and Mudkip. Now flip it. Swap small for large in the same formula. Result jumps to 350. That's 150 plus 100 plus 100. Alakazam, Charizard, and Entei. One pattern, two directions, top or bottom of any ranking. So that's small and large, two functions for grabbing values by rank. Small pulls the kth smallest, large pulls the kth largest. Simple as that. Use them on their own for a single extreme or combine them with sum and an array constant to grab the top three, bottom five, or any range of ranks you need. They work on numbers, dates, times, anything Excel can sort. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your small and large formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.